hope you guys are doing well, perfectly. Well, I'm doing well and I'm perfectly fine. Thank you for all your support. So today I bring to you a recipe of Szechuan fries or Szechuan chips. Szechuan chips is yummy, tasty, and I love it so much personally. Like always, I'm having French fries, and then a time comes when I'm feeling bored of it. So I prefer making masala chips, garlic chips, cuisine chips, or Szechuan chips. So Szechuan chips is a quick and easy recipe. So yes, let's get started. So to prepare the Szechuan chips, first of all, I've prepared the French fries, just normal French fries or normal fried chips. And then next in, I'm going to prepare a tadka. So let's start. So I'm taking a non-stick frying pan. I'm keeping it on low to medium flame. Adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. I let the oil come to heating point. Let it heat. So I'm going to be adding next the ginger garlic paste. I'm just using the ready-made paste. I just store-bought it. So the oil is not yet so hot. It's just on low flame. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. So I've kept the flame on medium now. So now it's going to be starting to splatter. Next in, I'm adding in green chilies. Green chilies. If you add the ginger garlic paste when the oil is very hot, this is what happens. So on low flame, I'm going to cook this just until it's well cooked and the raw flavor is gone. Next in, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. I prepared this Szechuan sauce at my house. So if you want the recipe, I'll share the recipe with you people. So 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney. So this is my homemade Szechuan chutney. So make sure the flame is low still. I'm just going to stir in, mixing it well. Mix this completely well. So now we are ready to keep it on medium flame. On medium flame. Next, I'm going to be adding in green chutney. I'm adding in green chutney or green chili sauce. 1 teaspoon of that. Green chutney or green chili sauce is something that always Chinese people love, and Szechuan chips also contains this. So there we go, green chili sauce. Next in goes the red chili sauce. 1 teaspoon red chili sauce. Add it inside. Next, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Here I'm using dark soya sauce. So I'm going to stir this well. I'm going to mix it. On medium flame now. I'll mix this and cook it for 30 seconds. So this looks like it's ready. I'll put it back on low flame. Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. This Szechuan chips, I'm making it in my own style. I'm not making it the way it's usually made. It's my own recipe and I'm making it in my own version, in my own style. Next in, I have some spring onions white and spring onion greens. I've just chopped them. So I'm going to be adding some over here. Just around 2 handfuls of them. And then I'm going to be mixing it. To 30 seconds. I've taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Into that I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to mix it well till no lumps are formed. Mix it thoroughly. So this is ready. Now I'm going to be adding this corn flour plus water mixture in the gravy. So let's add it. So that's done. I'm going to give it a quick mix. So corn flour is a thickening agent. It's going to make this gravy nice and thick. So as my plain fries are ready, this recipe is going to be so easy for me to make. So on medium flame I'm going to let this simmer for around 2 minutes. Now next I'm adding in some salt to taste. Remember, soya sauce has some salt. Green chutney and ketchup also contain some salt. So add accordingly. Next in I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, or you can add as per your preference. Next I'm going to give it a nice mix, just so that the black pepper and the salt are well incorporated. At this stage I want to add in some vinegar, half tablespoon of vinegar. I mix this as well. You can see the lovely Szechuan masala is almost ready. So in this recipe I'm not going to be using lemon juice because we've added vinegar, and also we are not going to be using Kashmiri red chili powder or any other Indian masalas. This is simple and easy, just salt, black pepper, and then the rest of the work, the garlic ginger paste and the green chilies will do. So just stirring in for 10 to 20 seconds. So the French fries are ready to be added in the Szechuan tadka or Szechuan masala. So I'll add them slowly. I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, chopped them roughly, or you can say like French fries, and fried them. So adding everything here. Then I'm going to give it a quick toss. So I've mixed the Szechuan chips nicely. I'm adding in little bit of more spring onions. Spring onions is like the main ingredient over here. If you wish, you can also use the normal dry onions. Mixing it again. This recipe is ready. So we are ready to plate this dish. You can see how nicely I've prepared this recipe. It looks so tempting and so delicious. Very nice and yummy. So I'm going to switch off the flame. And next in I'm going to be adding some fresh coriander leaves. No recipe of mine is complete without adding the fresh coriander leaves. Adding in some coriander leaves. That's done. Now this recipe is completely ready to be served. Remember, serve it in such a way that whoever you're preparing this dish for is going to be so excited to try it as this looks like. So it must be tempting. Let me do the final plating. This recipe is completely ready and I'm serving it. So yes, do try this recipe. Let me know how the Szechuan chips of Nimisha's style has turned out for you guys. This is it for this video and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye and see you.